The world can be noisy. I think everybody needs a way to escape the noise. I think that's why I love skiing. Like, I'm not going skiing because someone says I should, or I feel this pressure to ski. No, like, I ski because I want to. When I'm skiing, everything else just melts away. And I'm just focused on those sticks on my feet, making the next turn. I'm just in the moment. I fell in love with backcountry skiing because that uphill suffering just adds this extra layer of enjoyment and purpose to the downhill. You gotta earn your turns. I love it. I love it. Can we go now?
Sorry lie, and he sees the weary sighs fall out from what is now an unsure thought. Hold out, just hold out your fire.
Man, this uphill stuff's awesome. Really not looking forward to the downhill.
Let's ski.
And hide, all, just hide your desires. Stand your ground. Stand your ground.
My butt's cold. My butt is so cold.